How do you develop your brick and mortar business? What are marketing tips that you can apply so that you get more customers, get more leads, getting into your brick and mortar business? So this is one of the questions that I've seen, and I'm going to answer on this video. So there's let's define what's a brick and mortar business. So we are used to online businesses, e-commerce businesses where the selling as well as the delivery is done online. But brick and mortar business are those shops, local shops, where you go to physically the business to to buy things and get delivered the things that you've been promised. So it can be dental care, it can be a martial arts practice, it can be a gym and fitness, it can be a chiropractor, it can be a local restaurant. So most of the time, those are physical locations, physical storefronts where things are sold. So, it doesn't have to be an e-commerce, a full e-commerce suite where everything is done online. But nonetheless, you can use online, activities, online promotions, online marketing tips so as to promote the product, to attract new customers, attract some leads. And that's what I am going to talk about on this video, because at the end of the day, let's say you have a local restaurant or a martial arts practice. People will need to come to the physical storefront to get the product or the service. So a lot of people are now using mobile phones and the internet to look for services or product that they want to buy. And we can use that as small business owners. We can leverage that to attract those people. But how do you do that? Is it just a matter of going to the social media and then hope that things are working? No, because that's what I'm calling the hope marketing. It's not because you're busy that things are working. So you have to set up, systems, funnels to attract those people, to nurture those people so that they get back to you. So this is how you do this. So what I'm suggesting is that you set up an online presence where you can promote, where you can build rapport to your potential customers so that they can get or buy or at least be in contact with you. And then once they decide that they will buy, they know that they can come to you and come to your local brick and mortar business. So this is a system that you need to set up. And for that, I think, because you're here and this is one of the things that I do on this video channel, I'm suggesting for you, great marketing tips, great hacks and resources that you can work on. And one of the guy that is great at doing this or setting up those funnels is Russell Brunson. So he has set up a set of resources where he has interviewed 17 brick and mortar successful brick and mortar small business owners, where they are sharing how they are using the online and sales funnel to get more customers. So we're talking about big guys. You probably, if you're in the gym and fitness business, you probably heard about Alex Hormozi, who has been known in this gym and fitness. So he's part of the guest of Russell Brunson, and where he's sharing how he's done it for his gym and mortar, for his gym and fitness business. But there are 16 other people, from real estate, a chiropractor, a dentist, and all those service-based business, a window cleaner, and those guys are sharing how they do it for their brick and mortar business. So there are 17 people, and I think this is a free resource that you can get access to. I highly recommend that you check it. There's one caveat though, because most of the time when people are given free resources, they don't think that it's valuable. So there's one caveat, and you need to act on it fast, because once you decide to get access to this resource, you only have 96 hours to consume what are the contents that are shared by those highly successful business owners. 96 hours for 17 people. So it's up to you to see what relates to your business and how you can act on this. Link will be put on the comment of this video for accessing this resource.